Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Movie Maker that is giving you this error. There isn't enough memory available to save this file. Try saving it at a lower resolution. No, I don't want to. So first thing that you need to do, obviously, save your work. Mine is already saved, and close it. Yes, it's saying that it wants to save it again. No, I already know I saved it as I want it. And now let's see how to fix this. So you come in here on your PC, your Windows drive. There is a users folder, so let's get to it. You will have your username. In my case, my username is i7. Then you go to app data and you go to, where is it? Local. I was thinking which one of those. And we should have a temp folder right here. And you basically need to delete everything in this temp folder. All the things that you see here are temporary files from Windows Movie Maker that it did not delete over time. As you can see, many of them. And it seems somehow these are disturbing it from doing its thing. It's not about RAM, it's not about video memory, it's about this having too many of them. Something else, you either just Control A and delete all of them by using the delete key, or there's another variant. To make sure that all temporary files on your computer get deleted, you can right click on this. You go to properties, I think. Yep, properties. So on your C drive, again, the drive where you have Windows installed, you go to details. And in here, it will show you many things that you have installed, but we are interested in temporary files. And allow it to finish. So when it's not doing this anymore, 34 gigabytes of temporary files we have on this particular laptop. That's freaking lot. So in here, temporary files, 10 gigs. Windows log files, upgrades, thumbnails. This one, I don't think I want to delete them because it will just make it recreate all of them. Temporary internet files, yes, these can be deleted. System recovery, no. Downloads, no. Okay, I think we are good to go with whatever we have selected. Yes, I have stuff in recycle bin. I don't want to delete it at the moment, so it's not selected. If you want to delete it, delete it. So overall, it seems about 12.6 gigabytes is in temporary files and other stuff that can be deleted. In my case, you can delete whatever you want just by selecting. So we will go to remove files. Continue, and it will be deleting them. And then I'm curious to see this folder where we were before, if it got emptied in any way. Let's close this first, and now let's look at the folder. There are temp files, you can see them, but we don't have the MP4 file. Or actually, look at this, we still have some, much less, but we still have some. So yeah, you could do that as I showed you, but it seems some of them still do not get deleted. And they are not from today. So yeah, that's weird. Anyway, so in this case, I will show you the other variant. Control A for all of them. And Shift Delete. Or you can directly press Delete, but they will go to recycle bin. If you press Shift Delete permanently, yep. Bye now. And yeah, there will be some that don't want to delete. They are probably from active software, so skip, whatever. Skip. So these things are active now, being used by various software, but anyway, you clearly emptied a lot. Be back when this decides to complete it. It is stuck at the moment at 99%. And it deleted everything. Yes, some things are still here, but much less than they were before, so doesn't matter too much for us. And now I will start my video, my saved session. I don't know how to call it. So here is my editing file that was saved before. I'm going to start it, allow it to do its thing. It will prepare the files once again from scratch because we just deleted all of its files that it had already prepared. So be back after it finishes this. And it's finished. Everything will be in here. Yes, I'm only on the laptop screen. This is why. Sorry for the missing timing here. While I was scrolling through this, my OBS crashed and I barely was able to recover the video of what I was showing you. So yeah, whew, but it's recovered. So now I'm going to attempt to save this again at 4K. Before it was giving me the error at 0%. It wasn't doing almost anything. It was sitting for 1, 2 or 3 minutes and giving me the error, and that's about it. In other situations, it was giving me in other videos the error at 50%, at 60%, who knows. But yeah, now it was giving at 0, so it will be easy to see if it goes past it or not. So 4K, save, replace, and I'm going to allow it to do its thing. Yes, OBS is recording in the background, but already. So it's already going. So it's working. It's not a RAM problem. It's not a GPU memory problem. It's just too many temporary files. And the more you use Movie Maker without emptying the temporary folder, the worse your problem will get. And it doesn't matter if it's a long video, a short video, it can happen in any situation. You know what? I got actually the same error again. And I looked, it was using only my integrated GPU, not my dedicated GPU this time. Something messed it up. I don't know why this is happening. I'm going to go connect it to my TV where I always use it and see if I get the error or if it saves the file nicely. Because with its built-in display, it was only using this GPU that only has 512 megs of dedicated GPU memory. That's really extremely small. So it might have actually gave me the memory error for a different reason this time at a different point in saving the same video. It's crazy, but it is what it is. So yeah, let me go on my main TV and see if I can save it from there without getting the error. The hell with it. I think I know what happened. My battery went low and it went into energy saver and it disabled my dedicated GPU and it forced our rendering to be done, or encoding actually, to be done on the one integrated into the CPU, which is extremely weak, and 512 megs of memory. That's nothing. So yeah, damn it. And we are saving it once again. It's going nicely and it's doing it on the dedicated GPU, not on this one. On this one, what's happening now, it's actually the recording through OBS, and I hope it will not crash things because it's using this GPU. As we can see, this is what's being used by our video save, which is still going, but I will stop this OBS. So two things: empty the temporary folder and make sure you are using your dedicated GPU, not integrated one. So if you are on a laptop, plug in the laptop to make sure it uses this one. And finally it's finished. As you can see here, activity is stopping from my GPU. It started a little bit because I started using OBS to record again, but way less than what it was doing before. So yeah, this is it. Empty your temp folders and make sure you are using the dedicated GPU and you should be fine. So hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, maybe subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.